We appreciate it if you don't take any more big fish.
No problem.
You give another kid. If you hook one, we appreciate if you get it to
We've been
another
trying to
kid.
get kids on fish.
Yep. Yeah, it's fine. He could. I mean, but you know, if you hook a big one, let another guy take it. You know, kid take it.
Wow, got one. Yeah. Good stuff, man.
Number 3 goes to Mason Cruz.
Good morning, fellas. Welcome back to the channel, Cruising for ADV. Today, my son and I are at the Radnor Fishing Derby. I try to get Mason here every year, but sometimes with our busy schedules, we just can't make it. It's a great opportunity for these kids to do some trout fishing, a well-organized event, and they put in some nice fish in the stream for these kids to catch.
They said they'll watch it. It's fine.
Good thing we came, because this ended up being Mason's best trout fishing day of the year. It was so good. The people who run the event basically told him if he hooks up with any more big trout, please let one of the kids reel it in.
We appreciate it if you don't take any more big fish.
No problem, buddy.
Give another kid. If you hook one, we
Yeah.
appreciate if you get it.
We've been trying to get kids on fish.
Yep. Yeah, it's fine. He could. I mean, but you know, if you hook a big one, let another guy take it.
That was not a problem, and Mason actually enjoyed doing that. Some of these kids even placed in the event with their catches. Like most of our ventures, it usually starts off with something bad happening. Well, of course, the first fish that he gets on, we end up losing right at the net. But right after, he hooks up on his biggest fish of the day, and it was smooth sailing from there. Let's get started. It's going to be a good one.
With the skips. Try this big one over here. Enjoy the moment. There's a pally right there. You're gonna ruin your line. It broke off on the... You tried to horse them in, it's alright.
No, I didn't! I fought!
It's not mine. No.
Wow.
Try for this pally right here. There's a big one over there. Is there a big one over there?
Oh, yeah?
Come on, baby. Come on. Let's go.
Thank you. Oh, there's one out there. Do you have a stringer?
Yeah,
You do?
I think so.
Take pictures later. I'll get back out and try to catch
So if you ever watch our videos, 99% of the time, we're catch and release. Well, this derby, there was awards given for the 10 largest fish. So we ended up keeping this one. Stay tuned for a catch and cook video where we make fish tacos out of this catch. It's in the car. There. You want to go grab it?
Go grab it quick.
The net's right here.
Good job, Will. Put it back out there.
Touch it.
Here's the net if you need it. I'll go get the snips. You sure that line's good?
One should ever go for it.
Oh, here it comes.
When he does that, just drop it. Right here, it's right here.
Yeah, go on.
This one wanted it.
You did? Try power bait.
No, I'm trying to do it.
I don't.
You had a good one right here.
Yeah. Do you think it could help him if I
I just gotta watch my car.
Yeah. Yo, buddy, what's your name?
Mason?
What is it?
Mason?
Mason?
Yeah.
Mason, cast back out there. You had one right there. Good. Good shit. I think you got one. Yeah. Good stuff, man.
Dude.
Nice. Good fish. Go get him. Here, you want me to hold the rod? What are you doing? Keep it? Gotta measure it.
Right here.
We appreciate it if you don't take any more big fish.
No problem.
Give another kid. If you hook one, we appreciate if you get it to
We've been
another
trying to
kid.
get kids on fish.
Yep. Yeah, it's fine. He could. I mean, but you know, if you hook a big one, let another guy take it. You know, kid take it.
No problem. Anybody want this?
Somebody go up there and get a fish for him. Somebody come up there and catch that fish.
Who wants to catch this fish? First come on, hurry up.
Go catch it, because he's got two already. Okay. You got one. Yo, you got a palomino. You know it now. Go up there, little girl. No.
No. The little girl's gonna get it.
He's got a palomino already. No.
Come on. He'll give you the rod.
Here, I'll give you the rod. Oh, go ahead. Go ahead.
Go ahead, just take the rod.
Kevin, can you get in there with her?
Yeah, thank you. Don't reel it up all the way.
Thank you.
No problem.
That's a different
Oh, is it? Oh, that one broke off too.
It's fine.
He's loose then already.
You can take it up and get it measured if you want.
Thank you. I'm bringing that right back. Pass this off to his dad so he can climb up.
Was that fun?
Go ahead.
Took it out twice early in the season.
Bring that right back.
No problem.
Your hand up now?
Make sure you get a picture, Kevin. Get that probably. I'm not letting
What was it? I had another hook in it or something?
No, it snapped off in his mouth,
Oh.
like right when I got it up.
Oh, dang. It's good you landed it for her. Okay.
Rồi, tải đi. Big one, big one.
So good.
Oh.
For the neck.
Here, you want to do it, Dad? Oh, Brent just put his head in. Nice.
Good job.
Is Lily gonna go measure that one?
Sure.
Okay.
That's pretty big. It's a really good one. Kind of bigger than mine.
Good sized fish.
Like a minnow?
Yeah.
Is it bigger than yours? Do you want to measure this one?
Nah.
No.
I call
Yeah.
it bigger one.
Good job. Were you working? Trying to work for it?
I cast it over by the tree and it like zoomed out. Evan almost had one too. There's another one.
Sorry. Okay.
Did you catch it? Yeah. Here. Take your rod and get it.
Yeah.
Hurry up. Come on. Here, get his rod. Lay yours down. Just lay it down. Go ahead. He'll let it for you. Here.
Here.
Take your time. When he when he pulls, don't whine. Now, when he's coming in like that, see, when he gets out, don't whine. Comes in, now whine. Bring him in. Wait. Get the head first. Wait till he's tired. Now, wind him in. Let him go. Wind him in. Head first. Head first. There you go. All right.
Good job, guys.
Take it over and get your hook and stuff out.
See that, man? That's a good one. That was crazy.
You get it, Phil? All right.
Dad, can you try to get this out there?
See.
He has my other jig in his mouth too. He
Yeah.
should.
Just break it off.
Try to get the other jig.